Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send your Monopoly Go link. Alright, before we get started, make sure you have downloaded the Monopoly Go app from your Play Store and make sure you have updated it to the latest version. Alright, once you have done that, follow the steps in the video very clearly. So what you have to do is open your Monopoly Go application, and once you have done that, all you have to do is click on the friends option on the bottom right corner. Alright, so once you have done that, you can see the option for invite. Click over there, and here you can see there are two options. You can either share this link by clicking on the yellow invite button, and this will be your Monopoly Go link, or you can just click on invite once again, and there will be an option to send the link to Facebook group as well. So you can share the link to your friends on your Facebook, or you can just get your personal link, invite link, and send that to your friend. So yeah, that is how you'll be able to send your Monopoly Go link. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.